It's the most significant ruling on homelessness in decades. Hours ago, the Supreme Court upheld a law that criminalizes homeless encampments on public property, overturning a lower court's ruling that said bans were cruel and unusual punishment. 5 on your side's Megan Kernan joins us live in downtown St. Louis with local reaction to today's ruling. Megan.
Holden, the ruling allows cities to arrest and fine people without homes for sleeping outside in public places. Tonight, we heard from city leaders and local homeless shelters about what this means for St. Louis.
I want to make it clear that our policies in the city of St. Louis will not change, and we will not be criminalizing folks who are unhoused.
In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court ruled Friday, allowing cities to enforce bans on homeless encampments. It's a ruling that gives local and state governments a free hand in confronting a national homelessness crisis. Disappointment was among several St. Louis aldermen.
Our unhoused community needs housing, they need resources, they need support. They don't need to be ticketed and fined and put in a criminal justice system that they cannot get themselves out of.
We've seen that when people can't pay fines, it turns into, and then are incarcerated for it, it turns into essentially a modern day debtor's prison.
Reverend Ray Redlick with New Life Evangelistic Center says he's worried about the impact the ruling could have on St. Louis.
What it would amount to is they're being arrested for living. We need more shelters, and therefore there wouldn't be as many people, if we had more available shelters, there wouldn't be as many people sleeping in encampments.
Deb Cotton with Peter and Paul Community Services is working to address homelessness in a huge way. It will include 100 shelter beds and provide other services.
In July, we will move in our first clients. We're super excited about that. And then we're working with other nonprofits here in St. Louis to have partners that will be in the building with their own programs. We believe that when we finish with the build out of this property, of the community campus within the next 4 or 5 years, this will be the largest single site of homeless services and transitional housing services and affordable housing all in one site in St. Louis.
The new Peter and Paul Community Campus will start bringing in 60 clients on July 14th. The organization says this new location will nearly double that amount that they currently house in Soulard. Live in downtown St. Louis, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.
Get ready.